You don't know how to search for your data to backtest? Well, today I'm going to show you quite simply how to download data from MetaTrader 5. So for that, first we're going to download MetaTrader 5 if you haven't already. We install We Accept. So once MetaTrader 5 is installed, we will open it. You will need to log in. So for that, what you will do is write meta quotes. You will click Next. You will open a demo account to trade virtual money. Once you have finished filling in all your data and have opened your account, you will arrive on this page. So now, you will have a complete data history. We can see, for example, by setting it to H1 here, the data history is indeed complete. So now, how do you download it? So what we're going to do is, you will download the expert assistant that I put in the description. Great. Once downloaded, you go to MT5, go to File, Open Data Folder, MQL5, Expert, and there you will drag the file you just downloaded. Once the file is dragged, you will open the Expert Consultant. Click on Refresh. There, normally, the Expert Consultant you just downloaded will appear. What you will do now is drag it onto the chart. You will enable algorithmic trading and you will click OK. Now you will click at the bottom in the toolbox on Export. And there we can clearly see that it worked. 10,133 bars have been exported. If you ever want a larger history, you go to Tools, Options, Charts, then you click on Max Bars and choose what you want. Let's imagine we want 20,000 bars. So, I will enter 20,000. I will click OK. I will restart MetaTrader 5. So now, if I switch to M5, I have indeed 20,000 bars that have been exported. Why did we only have 10,000 bars in H1 before? Simply because when we are in H1 and zoom out to the maximum, I think the data history only provides access to 10,133 bars on this account. Now, how to retrieve the data? We are told they are in common files. How to go to common files? So, you will click on File, Open Data Folder. You will press here on Terminal to go back. You will click on Common, then Files, and there you will retrieve all the Euro to US dollar data in HE1 that we just downloaded. To make sure it worked, click on it, open in Notepad for you. And there we can clearly see 5 distinct columns. The time, the open of the candle, the high of the wick, the low of the wick, and the close of the candle. We have data from January 2nd, 2024 to August 19th, 2025. We can see live that if I press F5, it downloads the 20,000 bars. My file appears instantly. I can open it in Notepad, and I indeed have all the data in 5 minutes from August 19th, 2025 to May 13th, 2025. If you ever want more data, you need to do what we saw earlier. Now, thanks to this data, you can backtest your data using, for example, ChatGPT, or for those who know how to code, by using it in Python. All the links are in the description, and I hope this was useful to you. Feel free to like or share with your friends who need it. We are planning lots of future tutorials. This was Tab Finance. Feel free to ask your questions in the comments and give us ideas for future tutorials.